kitchen, and here's another episode of Cooking with Kai. Today we're going to be cooking some Guinness beef stew. Just for the sake of it, it's just good in general, so yeah, let's get right into it. So funny fact, I actually forgot to buy myself Guinness, so I need to go to the store quickly and get some for the stew, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the Guinness. Look at it in its glory. First thing I'm gonna do is get the carrots and the potatoes out and start cutting them and getting them ready for the pot there. The potatoes, I'm gonna be putting them in this little pot because I like my potatoes to be mashed. So yeah, I'm gonna get them ready now. Alrighty, so the next step that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack open a Guinness and pour like about half into the pot there. The next thing I like to do is I like to start putting the little spices in here. So we'll put the thyme leaves. There we go. And then we put a little bit of tomato paste. Then you just put a little bit there just for the taste. I feel like I put a little too much, but that's okay. You need it to taste like something. The next thing I like to do is I like to put a little bit of beef broth and I mix with the St-Patties chicken sauce there. Like a mix of both. So you just pour it in a little. There you go. Go. Now I'm gonna turn on the crock pot, so I'm gonna be putting the lid on. I'm still gonna add ingredients to it. I just want it to start cooking because it's a long process. So I'm gonna put it on. And now I'm gonna go get some bacon because I like to put a little bit of bacon in it. See, the bacon is frozen at the moment, so I'm gonna be warming it up with some water because I don't have time to wait 5 hours for it to defrost. And also I got the meat here and I'm gonna be cutting it in smaller pieces and be cooking it in this pan right here with some onions, just a little bit, so it's a little bit tender in the pot. And this is what the pot looks like so far. Still really raw. Also, this is not in the original recipe, but I like mushrooms, so I'm adding mushrooms to the mix as well. Okay. ready to me. But I just want to taste it. It smells so yummy. I haven't eaten in so long. Hey yo, it's 8:40. I finally have my plate for the food, and I can't wait to taste it. Even my dog is like, hey yo, that smells really nice. And I'll tell you if it's good or it's bad. I just don't have a stand for my phone right now, so I might have to take this in 2 parts type thing.